What I really want you to check out is how I helped Terry with her YouTube channel. She came to me and asked me, "Hey Joe, can you help me with my YouTube channel? I don't have many views and I want to start making some money with my channel. Can you help me?" And you know what I said? Yes, by Joe, I'll help you. So what I want you to do is watch these videos and see how I'm going to help Terry with her channel. Because some of these things you can do for your channel. It's not that hard to get set up and start making money with your videos. You can do it. I'm just an average Joe, and if I can do it, you can do it. So stick around. Hey, you want to check out her channel? It's Terry Edmonds, T-E-R-I-E-D-M-O-N-D-S. Terry Edmonds on YouTube. You'll see what she's about on her shoes, and you'll see that she doesn't have very many subscribers. She doesn't have very many views. So if you like her channel, subscribe to it. And incidentally, you may think, hey, there's only 9 videos up here. Well, that's where I come in. I'm setting her up, and she's going to start making YouTube videos to put on her channel. All kinds of different things, and how to fix certain types of shoes, how to dye things, how to make things, how to repair things. And that's why I'm at her store. I'm going to help her out so that will also help you out. So check her out, Terry Edmonds on YouTube. So you have a YouTube channel and you've got a few videos, but you aren't sure what comes next and how to make money with those videos. Well, just keep watching this little video series where I'm showing Terry how to make money on her own YouTube channel, just like Joe here. I'm just an average Joe. I'm nothing special. So if I can do this, you can do it. Keep watching as I help Terry along, and you're going to learn tidbits all along the way as long as you keep watching these videos. Okay? This is what I do in my pastime now. I don't watch much TV anymore. I'm investing time in myself so that I can get these videos uploaded to my YouTube channel so I can start making money with them. Once you get them on your channel, you can do the same thing. Okay? It's really rewarding. Stick around. As for Terry's channel, Terry Edmonds on YouTube, T-E-R-I-E-D-M-O-N-D-S. And I will not rest until I make her a success on YouTube. She's looking to make some extra money, and this is going to supplement her income by having a YouTube channel working for her 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. You can do the same. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.